So, hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia. So, today we are here at IIT Hyderabad in second edition of the IInventive biggest R&D fair. So, I got an opportunity to interact with Dr. Pandit from IIT Kharagpur. So, first of all, thanks for sparing a few minutes for us, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
So, please introduce your innovations to our audience so that they can get better insight regarding this.
I'm Professor Devapratin Pandit from IIT Kharagpur, and my research group is called City Future Research Group, CFL. And we are a team. We develop different kind of products, particularly for urban consumption. And one of our products we are displaying today, that is Pubs, which is a public bicycle sharing software as well as hardware. So if you can see over here, these are the IoT based locks. These are Bluetooth based or GSM GPS based. So these locks are both automatic. Some of them are automatic, some of them are semi-automatic. And using these locks, you can deploy a system where you can deploy cycles. Any entrepreneur can take a few of these locks, start his own business, and we are giving the entire software free of cost. And the only thing is, at the end of the day, when somebody starts his own business and people start using the cycles, then the climate would be, benefited.
Right, sir. So, sir, my question is that as it's a very beautiful innovation which is basically related to our day-to-day activities. So, when a researcher is starting his career as a PhD scholar, so he is in doubt that what is the ROI of investing that much time into research and what kind of real-world topic should I choose? So, as a professor, what is your take on this, please?
So usually in India, what happens is people end up taking a safer topic.
Right.
That means it's an academic topic.
Right.
You will get some papers published out of it, and there would be no product out of it.
Right.
But it's better. It's high time now that we need to focus on also product-based PhDs.
Right.
That means at the end of the day, when whatever you do, there has to be some innovation coming out.
Right.
So in my lab also several people are developing different kinds of both software as well as hardware.
Right, sir.
We are trying to go into that mode where we at the end of the PhD there is something to show for.
True.
There is a product out.
There is some tangible output,
Yes,
basically.
and I think people are also. I mean, students are also. Many students are able to take that challenge,
Right.
and they also wish to do or
True.
get into this mode of doing PhD.
Right. Sir, in today's era, we are sitting in the basically time where the things are changing so rapidly. Technology itself says it's a disruptive thing.
Yes.
So how you basically correlate or comply with the sustainable technology here?
There are two approaches. Sometimes people say that the technology is advancing so fast.
Right.
How we can cope up.
Right.
Yes, it's true. For example, if you take the case of older generation,
Right.
a lot of the technologies that we are developing, it's difficult for them to adopt.
Right.
So in our lab also, we are looking into some researches where we are looking into bridging this digital divide.
True.
That is how to bring the older generation or how to bring the generation who are not that literate into these technologies into the fold. So that means the research is not only about developing a product, but how to make it also useful for the society in general. So that is how we should approach this kind of problems. But yes, should we take it slow? Should we go faster? I think there is no clear answer to it. I think depending on what domain, what context, it has to be played out like as per that.
Right, sir. So as we talk about your product and this innovation, what kind of technology and what all key technology you used in this?
So what we have done is it's a IoT system. It's a electromechanical system. So there is a mechanical body, and then there is the device, the electronics inside. It communicates with a cloud server, so that means there is also software involved.
Right.
So we have integrated software, firmware, as well as hardware all together, and totally together it makes into one product.
Right.
So that means it's a cross-disciplinary work. It cannot be done by only people following from one discipline. Several people from different disciplines has to come together and then make it happen.
So how it can be made as a scalable as an entrepreneurship, this technology?
So this particular technology is devised to build entrepreneurs in our society. For example, somebody with who can take the locks, buy the locks, they can start a rental business anywhere. So what we are trying to do is we are making sure that we breed a new generation of entrepreneurs who can take this kind of product and then can actually launch this kind of mobility services in the country, so that we eventually reach to mobility 4.0.
True, sir. So thanks, Dr. Pandit. It was truly a very insightful conversation with you. I am sure all the viewers will take a lot of help from here and they will see the details of product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.